Welcome to Sophia Designs and the Art of Design. Today we're in the studio having fun making holiday greeting cards. And you see, as we've been busy working, I thought, let me show how we do this. First we get tape and do some wispy yellow-green lines with a paintbrush. You can use watercolor or acrylic and brush up into the tape. Let it dry or come in wet and use a second green to give it a little depth, more color. Again, let it dry or paint wet on top of that. And here's a third color, third green. You see more depth. And then when it dries and you take the tape off, you see the clean lines that it makes for us. And we have our tree. And finally, we use a gold little calligraphy pen and we decorate with a little gold star and we write joyful at the bottom. Any greeting is fine. Happy holidays, whatever you want to do. Here's another variation with 3 trees. Same concept behind that one. And then we did this with a little wispy brush we had. And then let it dry. We put in our ornaments and made our little container. So look around the house and see whatever you have to use. We also have these stencils we may use. They're fun for kids to do with sponges or little hard bristle paint brushes for the holidays. And to show you what we use this Strathmore pre-folded watercolor paper with envelopes. So it makes it easy. It comes in, I think, 10 or 25 per pack. And then we're getting ready to do these postcards, watercolor paper. So have fun this holiday season. Maybe do some artwork, and happy holidays to everybody. Thank you.